How to see member list in our Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. After that, on the left side, click on the server which you want to see member list of. Then, before there used to be on the right side, but if you can't find a member list in a Discord server, what you can do is you find a search bar. Beside it, you'll find this two-person icon, which is Show Member List. Simply click on Show Member List. After you do this, on the left side, you will find all the members list of this server. You'll also find who are online with a green dot and who are offline at the bottom. And this is how to see member list in our Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.